Everyone, I am Alfredo Galvez from the Far East. I am a co-inventor of this new technology PH2 hot heater equipped bain-marie or food warmer. Conventional bain-maries consume 600 to 1000 watts per tray and a preheating time of 30 minutes. Conventional bain-maries require several gallons of water, boiling water, under or beneath the bain-maries, which is susceptible to leaks and drips and the danger of scalding to our personnel. Our new technology hot heater bain-marie only consumes 127 watts and a preheating time of 6 to 7 minutes. The reduction in consumption represents 70 to 85%. The heater you see here can accommodate bigger trays and while assured of even heat on the whole tray area. This bain-marie is very low cost to manufacture and low cost to maintain. This bain-marie will revolutionize the bain-marie industries worldwide. Thank you very much.